Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to install the latest version of Python, which is 3.12.4 on your machine running with Windows. So for that, you need to open a browser like the Chrome and type the official site of Python, which is www.python.org. Then downloads in Windows. So this is the complete path to the installer of for Windows. You see here Python release for Windows and it is 3.124, which is latest release and is released in June 6, 2024. But there is a warning, don't forget this. Note that Python 3.124 cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So you can use the Python on the Windows version later than 7. And then there are different options available, but you probably need to install either Windows Installer 64-bit or Windows Installer 32-bit. So first check whether your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit. So accordingly, you need to download that version. And once clicking on this, it will install the installer, which I have already installed. And I go to my folder where I have saved it. And you see here two different installers are present, 3.9, that is the older version, and 3.124, which is the new version, and I have just downloaded it today, 7/2/2024. So I double click this installer and I come to this dialog box. You see here it is 64-bit, and this thing define your install now. This also gives the path where your Python would be installed, and it is user Salman app data. So this is the path to the folder of your Python. And the installer include idle, pip, and documentation clear shortcuts. These are additional documents that are present in the installer. And here again, there are two other options. Use admin privileges when installing add python.exe to path. Use admin privileges. If I check this one, it will then limit the installer, and not everybody will be able to use it. And similarly, this is another option to add path, but I don't want to check any of them. And I just click on this installer. So it might take a little longer. And then this dialog box appears, setup was successful. So this way you can install the latest version of Python, which is just released on June 6, 2024. Thanks for watching.